So, welcome again to Jamaican Versions. Well, you already know how we do it here. So, before we go, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Also, comment. So, make sure you hit that notification bell, okay? So, today, as we go into the video, I'm going to be playing David Ruffin's Walk Away from Love. And David Ruffin's Walk Away from Love, and also Bitty McLean Walk Away from Love. Okay, so here we go with David Ruffin's original Walk Away from Love. So as we go along, we're gonna start the video. So this is David Ruffin's Walk Away from Love.
It's not that I don't love you. You know how much I do. And it's not that I found someone to take the place of you. It's just the feel that feels within me every time you touch my hand. And a dread that shakes my body that even I don't understand. So I'm leaving. It's time to play it smart. I'm gonna walk away from the love. Breaks my
Yeah, guys, I'm sure a lot of us have been in that position where you see the outbreak coming and you just want to walk away before it gets too bad, before it hurts you. Yeah, I've been in that position, yeah, a time or two. And yeah, I just decided just walk away. And as you know, sometimes it's better to break your own heart, but they say only a fool break his own heart. So I guess there's a lot of fools out there, myself included. So let's continue to hear the rest of David Ruffin's Walk Away from Love.
Oh, you're clinging to me tighter than you ever have before. I don't understand it, but I know it's gonna take everything I got to keep walking out the door. But those arms you got around me will let me go someday. And I'd rather leave you holding on than pushing your way. So leave it. Yes, I am. It's time to play it smart. I'm gonna walk away from love.
If a love breaks my heart, I'm gonna walk away from love. Yeah, so that's David Ruffin's Walk Away from Love. And so now I'm going to be playing Bitty McLean's version of Walk Away from Love. And so, guys, remember, in the comment section, tell me not which song is the best, but which is your best, okay? That's what I want to know, which is your best. Oh, so remember, guys, like, share, comment, and subscribe, right? So let's go with Bitty McLean's Walk Away from Love, okay? So this is Bitty McLean's version of Walk Away from Love. So guys, as I said, I do not own no copyright. Yeah. These are all copyrighted materials. So let's go as we listen to Bitty McLean's Walk Away from Love.
Clap your hands and stamp your feet. This happens to be a trade wild tree. It's not that I don't love you. You know how much I do. And it's not that I found somebody to take the place of you. But it's just the feel within me. When you touch my hand, and a feel that shakes my body, and I don't understand, so I'm leaving. This time I'm playing it smart. I'm gonna walk away from love.
Walk away from love.
Before love
Breaks my yeah, like I said, he's also walking away from love. I guess a lot of people have walked away from love, you know. Yeah, we see the heartbreak coming, and sometimes it's best to just walk away before things get real nasty, because trust me, sometimes they do get real nasty. So, as I said, Bitty McLean's Walk Away from Love. So here we go as we continue listening.
you cling to me tighter than you have before. But you know it's gonna take everything to stop me walking out that door. See your arms that you got around me will let me go someday. So I'd rather to leave than holding on and pushing me away. So I'm leaving. This time I'm playing it smart. I'm gonna walk away from love. Before love breaks my
Yeah, so guys, I'm just gonna end it there. And as I said, the previous song was David Offense, Walk Away from Love, and Bitty McLean version of Walk Away from Love. So guys, tell me what you think in the comment section. Make sure you tell me which one is your favorite. Not which one is the best, but which one is your favorite. So guys, remember to like, share, comment, and remember, click that notification bell. Okay, so until next time, this is Big Papa signing out. Thank you.